So good morning guys. Now we are in second floor. So you can see the second floor is might very clean and it is a well maintained. I think someone live here. What you say, Chris?
I think someone stayed here for very quite a long time.
Yes, yes, it is very clean, brother.
Look at
It
this
is very
place.
much- Yes.
Look at the paths.
Yes,
It's
yes.
very clean.
Okay, I think someone come on regular basis,
Hmm.
and there is a team and squad
Hmm.
who comes on every day. But I don't know what it is. It is kitchen or what? Why it is everywhere?
Look, there is a
Hmm.
place for a basin.
Basin, you are right. But I don't know why the government are focusing on same structure. As you can see, the ground floor structure is same, and the first floor and second floor is the
Though
same
the
structure.
government, if providing,
Doesn't want new style, I think.
no,
Government are stick with the
no,
old
government
style.
want to supply the equal things to everyone.
Okay, so it is like it is
If I go,
hospitals,
if
no?
I
Someone says it is hospital. So what is hospital means? My five workers have same things, and my five workers also have same things. Why?
yes, yes.
Why
So,
hospitals
why
is
it is
made for
called?
everyone, not so. What is this? Why is the basin needed in hospitals, and why four basins needed in hospital? On this four side, on this four side. I think this is made for a living place, brother.
No, I think it's
I don't
hospital.
think so.
Hospital? Why hospital have 8 kitchens? Tell me. Is it hospitals? Do you really sure?
I think this is operation room.
Operation room on every single on every single floor.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see everything is right. The same structure. Why there is two rooms? Let's look up closer. It is a downward. Let's put your brain into this and think about it. Why it is actually fall. So let's forget about it and take a give a short closer about outside.
There is also a abandoned house. Look.
This is a godam. It is also made by a government. So in our village, there are 90% is made by a government, but it nothing maintained. As you can see, the boundary of the backside. So see here, the boundary of backside is gone about to last 3 months, but there is no working, no works are going on.
No action is taken.
So we are here. We are showcasing why the government are not taking action for so many years. There are 3 years are going on and there is nothing works. So Vaibhav Singh, there is one of our team member. He is a great talent. And Vaibhav Singh, give me 3 reasons why you are in my team.
Reason.
Reasons.
Just for fun,
Just for fun.
time
Okay.
pass,
You
and
are
time waste.
Okay. So you are a time waster. So in my team, what you learn? In our teams, what you learn? How to waste time?
No. To explore new things, new places.
Okay, you are right. What do you think about this place? Why it is abandoned? As you give two reason about
same.
the workers, but give me a reason why there is an 8 kitchens in the hospitals. Okay, and why it is the same structure? Why think about there is an hospital? Okay, so there is patient room or what? You know, hospital generally made large patient room type things. Have same structure, but do you ever notice why there is 3 rooms are given? What do you think, Abhishek?
This is still a mystery.
It's still a mystery. We will explore another room. Okay, we want to find some. We get a news there are a waste plantation is going on. So our target is.
Laddu Singh gave us a news.
Laddu Singh give us a news. So our target is to catch it. And our target is someone is coming on every day. So we are here to capture out why he is coming on every day. Oh, let's see.
No. Don't ever try to touch it.
क्यों भाई? खोलो भाई, पानी खोलो.
Nah.
What it is? What it is? Is this news here?
अभी कोई बेंच भी रखे थे वहाँ।
मत करिए फालतू
खोलो भाई खोलो।
फालतू का मत करिए।
Bro, so why it is, brother? This is government place. You cannot
Ah.
place anything it here.
अच्छा
So we are on camera and
Company.
this is something. So our target is to remove it. Is there any stick or something? We are here to showcase what is going on.
बच्ची को तोड़ दे रहे हैं क्या?
Reload your gun first. Anything happens to your gun. I think there is a man. So be silent and we are here to showcasing what is happening.
भाई थोड़ा सा इधर से पकड़ के उसको हटा लो।
You हटा लो. Okay, I capture the camera. हटा दो.
यू हटा दो। I think it's a type of container.
अगर कोई वो निकल गया तो लो भाई,
यहाँ से कुछ जाएंगे।
हाँ हाँ मैं वही कह रहा हूँ।
यहाँ से कूद जाएंगे। Come on, you can do it. उस पे मत चढ़िए, कमजोर है।
नहीं यार चढ़ जाओगे, कमजोर नहीं है।
अरे भाई कोई भरोसा नहीं, इतने साल से पढ़ा है।
I think snake or not something.
No, it will.
हम तो कूदने के लिए तैयार है।
You know what it is?
मरिएगा तो ध्यान से मरिएगा। हमसे ऊपर कुछ इल्जाम नहीं आना चाहिए।
Bro, we have to stick.
भाई ये जबरदस्त लगी नहीं भाई। शॉट दे रही है।